I'm here, and I'm here to show you because every time when it's 4th of July, there's fireworks in front of my building. So, I see one! It's right there. So every year I really like to spot one. They're really cool to spot. Yes, I like them. They're everywhere. Okay. I really love fireworks. Comment down below if you love fireworks too. There's gonna be a short video, so be sure to. I'll be a turtle. Be sure to like and subscribe. And look if you can see it because I caught something. Oh look, the lightning is actually that. Yeah, over there. That was pretty. Comment down below if you spot fireworks that I did not even spot. Guys, a little closer so you guys can see fireworks closely. Oh, behind that tree. They're everywhere. That's why I like fireworks. So police are everywhere. There are two. But by the way, it's because of 4th of July. They're right there. Raise your hand if you like fireworks. Comment down below.
I like fireworks.
You like fireworks? Spot fireworks. We'll be right back after seeing a firework. Look, there's one. Best day ever. Okay, comment down below if you can see anything that I do not see. Like weird, like police cars or more fireworks. It was right there. Everyone are shouting. Look over there in that house. That house. It's something like over there is the house. What was that in the house? Okay, now I'm really thinking what's that thing. Oh! I'm gonna get a close up now. If I spot it, oh look! It's right there, it's right there! It's right there too! It's everywhere! It's over there and over there and over there! So cool. What's that? And what is that? What was that in that house? Fireworks! I have no idea if we live close to where the fireworks are. Maybe they're just fireworks being fireworks. I have no idea. If you guys have a YouTube channel, record some fireworks. Comment down below if you like fireworks. Again, sometime. If you like fireworks, like, subscribe, and comment anything on this video. Oh, a quick announcement. Be sure to check out... Okay, and quick announcement. Be sure to check out my cousin Ellie's videos. The YouTube channel is called The Smartest Ellie. No gaps. I'm not gonna close up. I'm not gonna close. If we see anything, we'll just record here. Okay, something's weird going on in that house.
Look at right there! Look!
By the way, if you don't know, there's some fireworks going behind our buildings. Cool. I just love them. Oh, they're right there. How cool. By the way, I don't know what's going on in that house in front of us. The one where I'm pointing to the lights.
Look right there, house.
It's kinda a long story. So I'm gonna do this and let's see. By the way, there's more cars, like some limos. By the way, early this morning I saw a limo pass by. Mama, can they little fireworks? I was going to call my mom. I'm gonna put you guys right here and for you guys to see if there are any fireworks going on here or something. Okay, I'm just gonna put you guys right here. Behind the Hi guys, just right here on this small chair. But a little here. So guys, I'm back. My sister told me there were fireworks going on there. There, behind that house. Yeah, not behind that, but behind the mountains. There's a bear! There! So guys, be sure to like and subscribe. If you like fireworks, like and subscribe or comment down below anything. Bye guys. Yeah, bye go.
Bye, guys.
Quick fireworks. Bye guys. So, my sister sparked some lights over there again. So, bye guys.
Bye, guys.
A quick announcement that I want to do some challenges. So, comment any challenges you guys want. I know, Biha. Comment any kind of thing you want me to do, cause I have nothing to do right now. I want advice from you guys. By the way, I'm gonna stop the video right after saying one more firework. Where's this firework? We'll be right back. If you guys spot anything while I was gone, comment down below. Bye guys. Yeah, go bye.
Bye, guys.
Fireworks! Guys, one more fireworks looks good. So just okay, bye. Goodbye.
Bye.
मुझे देखो. भैया मुझे देख के बाय करो.
Bye, guys. Look at my watch, mommy.
Go bye.